Oh my gosh! We're gonna get colors up there?
Yeah, record it so we can see it. You want to put it on YouTube?
No.
No. Okay, we won't put it on YouTube. Can we show mommy and grandma?
We're gonna, and I say, Ethan goes to car wash.
Yeah.
Put it there! Oh!
I need you to sit on your butt.
Ugh. And then the colors turn on, we really gonna go have colors. No. Ready? Open this.
Open it.
Ready?
You want to hold it?
Birthday! Oh, let's turn on colors. What? Whoa! Here comes the spinny brushes.
Hello.
Butter down! Ay!
What about the top brush?
Here comes the top brush.
What's next?
Red ball! 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 Mama, red ball! Now we're getting SeaWorld. It is spawn and it is 3 vents. We're getting the blowers. That's blowers and that's dryers. Blowers, dryers.
Hey, you're not recording the car wash.
Ah. Look at the guys. High five. Boom.
All the blowers.
Oh my gosh! We're gonna dry us, though.
They're gonna try us.
Ah!
Alright, I need you to go sit down on your seat.
Wait. Go.
You did it all yourself?